unboxing a 6-in-1 Super Slime World Kit. So this is no glue slime, probably no activator, but it's just such a simple slime. And there's like lots of slimes that you can make, even custom. Let me show you the back. So, oh my god, it includes that much? Oh my god. For some reason the box opened, but like just let's leave it like that. There's orange, pink, green, purple, and white. You can add some coloring to it. Add a little shimmer, some extra toppings, and you can mix with a spoon in a bowl. Comes with lots of things. Here's how you make it, I think. And then some scent or coloring, looks like. So, let's unbox. I'm taking it out. Huh? Oh my god, what happened? This doesn't look like 10 slimes. Let me check the box. Huh? Oh my god, I hate this slime pack. I think I'm going to throw it away, and this is a 0 star. Just kidding. So before the video, I made it. One of the slimes, it was a green slime, and maybe it worked, or maybe it didn't work. Watch the video to find out, and if you know it works or does it not, let's see the consistency. Okay, so I'll pick one of them, of this, and then I'm going to play Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo, catch a tiger by its tongue. If it hollers, let it go. Dirty, dirty dish rag. Well, you don't have to do that, but like, Eeny, Meeny, Miny, Mo. You had to use this one. Sorry, it was like a little bit false. Well, I didn't pick this one. Here's the slime packet, or at least I think it is. Huh, just kidding. So here, you fill water up to the line, and I will be back. So, whenever we fill up to the line, see you guys in 1 second. We're back, and that was a second. So I filled it up kind of to the line. You can't really see it, but like kind of to the line. Like, I mean, I had to curve it, but it's on the line. So fill it up to the line, and then you add the powder packet. So, luckily, I have scissors right here. So I'm gonna open up the powder packet. I really want to say powder, but add it. Uh-oh, we made a mess. At least it's not all of it, right? It's all on my stand. Okay, and then, oh my god, look, that looks so satisfying. It looks like a cloud is just like, all of a sudden it's like on it, like floating. And then shake until slime forms. But how are we gonna know it's like, I hate this itchy. Oh my god, there's like donut powder all over. Shake until slime forms. Maybe we might want to add something. Do you agree? If we can get it open. Okay, so I'll see you whenever I get it back opened, and then I'll try to cut that part, okay? Anyway, here it is. Let's shake it. Shaking it. Okay, I'll see you back whenever we shake it and it's fully shaked. Or not. Here it should be right now. You can take the spoon out and then it should be like oobleck kind of. But whenever you touch it, it doesn't sink. So guess what, guys? Like though it was blocking, it probably dried out and it was blocking the thing to mix in with it, so I had to get the spoon. I'm gonna just put this here. Okay, now we can shake until the slime forms, kind of. I think it already formed, but let's see to make sure. And then, ready in 10 minutes. Well, let's see what time it's gonna be. So, it's messy, but see you in 1 second. Sorry about that. Anyway, I got some on my hands. I'm gonna see what the white slime is gonna do. I don't think I'm gonna add any coloring because I just want it to be like that. How about what's on the spoon? Is this food? No. Guys, just remember it's not food, okay? Do not eat any of these things, not even the glitter. And if you hear it right here, it's the instructions, which you'll get. Set up an area to work on. Use some newspaper under your chosen work before you start. Be sure to lay out all of your content in front of you before you begin the project. Okay, you already did that. And then do not eat the ingredients. Don't apply on eyes or lips. Wash hands thoroughly after use. And then it shows how to make other slimes. So if I wanted to make the rainbow slime, for example, it said after creating your different color slimes in each test tube, so you get 4 of the slime, color them. Each colored slime separated and set aside until you have created all of your colors. Once all 4 slime colors have been made, position all the slimes side by side on a flat non-stick surface. Allow the slimes to touch. Allow the slime to touch, yes. Now, use your fingertips to scoop the first and last slime in the row. Begin stretching the slime to reveal your bright slime rainbow. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I just don't really like reading, and I'm bad at it sometimes, like reading out loud, but... Okay, so now we will come back in 10 minutes. We'll just check it for you. Anyway, see you in 1 second. Okay, so here's a slime after 10 minutes, and I'm so excited. I wonder if it works. Well, I know it, but you guys don't, so let's see what it did. Okay, I'm getting it out one by one, and here's some of it, which I will get out in the bowl. I don't know what the bowl is necessary for, though. I wonder. And then you can get it out using the spoon or your fingers. But using your fingers is so much harder. I wonder if this worked or not. It's really sticky. I don't know if it's going to work. Just kidding. I know if it's going to work. But you guys don't. What will be the consistency? Well, maybe you do if you made it, but like, Okay, and around a few seconds, I'm going to tell you whether it works or not. And it works, guys. And whenever I come back, I'll get all the slime out of the tube. So, see you whenever the slime comes out of the tube. Okay, so this is the result. I had to add some lotion to it though, but that's fine. So we only got to use 1 powder packet, but you can turn this slime into anything you want. Just use a few powder packets, and like these glitter packets and stuff, and you'd be ready to go. And the slime is so stretchy. It ain't that pokey though. I wonder what type of slime this is. Is it a putty? But anyway, I hope you enjoyed. And don't forget to leave a like. And if one of my Dollar Tree videos gets at least, well, if it gets like a lot of likes, all of a sudden then we're gonna do another one. I can't wait. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like.